Good afternoon students. Today video is going to see anti-Markovnikov rule or peroxide effect. The first one mechanism, the addition of hydrogen bromide to an alkane in the presence of organic peroxide gives the anti-Markovnikov product. This effect is called peroxide effect. So propane, a reactant propane added to hydrogen bromide, the reaction to 1-bromopropane. Okay, the peroxide reactions to give the product 1-bromopropane. Okay, mechanism, the reaction produced was free radical mechanism. The first step one, the weak oxygen to oxygen single bond linkages of peroxide undergoes homolytic cleavage to generate free radical. Okay, the benzoyl peroxide react to homolytic fission phenyl free radicals. The phenyl free radicals C6H5, the C6, two molecules of C6 radicals H5. Another additional product carbon dioxide. Okay, the next one, step 2. Step 2, the process, the radical abstract the hydrogen from hydrogen bromide, thus generating bromine radical. So the C6H5 added bromine, hydrogen bromide, benzene is formed benzene, the additional product radical bromine. Okay, the third step of solution, the third step, the bromine radicals add to the double bond in the way to form more stable alkyl free radicals. Okay, the propane added bromine homolysis. Okay, the first one, a product less stable primary free radical, the second one secondary free radical more stable. The first one, bromide CH3 CH3 CH2 CH3 CH3 CH2 CH2 bromide. Okay, the less stable primary free radicals, the secondary free radicals is also more stable. Okay, the fourth step, addition of hydrogen bromide to secondary free radicals. The hydrogen bromide, the first one step is CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2 propane. The AB. Okay, AB. The first one of A, less stable primary radicals. The second one of the B, more stable secondary free radical. So second less stable primary free radicals product hydrogen bromide minor product, so 2-bromopropane. Okay, the secondary product of the free radical major product 1-bromopropane. The last one step would discuss the hydrogen to chlorine bond is stronger than hydrogen to bromine bond, thus hydrogen to chlorine is not cleavage by the free radical. So the hydrogen to iodide bond is weaker than hydrogen to chlorine bond, thus hydrogen to iodine bond breaks easily, but iodine free radicals combine to form iodine molecules instead. Okay, the iodine molecules, instead of adding the double bond, and hence peroxide effect is not observed in hydrogen chloride and hydrogen iodide. Okay, hydrochloric acid and hydrogen iodide. Okay, the addition of sulfuric acid to alkenes. Okay, the addition of sulfuric acid to alkanes, they form the alkanes react with cooled and concentration sulfuric acid react to acid form alkyl hydrogen sulfate with Markovnikov rule. Further hydrolysis yield alcohol. Okay, the second one, oxidation. Okay, the oxidation, alkenes react with Bayer reagents to form vicinal diols. The purple solution becomes dark green and then produce a dark brown precipitate. The another one with acidified magnesium potassium permanganate solutions. Okay, potassium permanganate, the first one 2-methyl propane 1-ene. The alkene react with acidified potassium permanganate solutions are oxides to ketones or carboxylic acid depends on the substituting at the olefin carbon atoms. So the purple solutions becomes colorless. This is one of the test for unsaturations. Okay, the ozonizations. Okay, the ozonization. Further, the first one, the ozonization. First reactions of the ethane. The ethane ozonization is a method oxidative cleavage of alkanes or alkynes using ozone and forms two carbonyl compounds. Okay, the alkanes react with ozone to form oxides and is cleavage by zinc and water to form smaller molecules. Okay, this reaction is often used to identify the structure of known alkene or alkyne by detecting the position of double or triple bond. The detective or position of double or triple bond formations. Okay, the last one discuss polymerization. The polymerization, a polymer, the polymerization, the polymer, the number of ethane. Okay, a polymer is a large molecules formed by the combine of a large number of small molecules. Okay, the process is known as polymerization. What is the polymerization? A polymer is a large molecule formed by the combination of large number of small molecules. Large number of small molecules. The process is known as polymerization. Alkyne. Alkenes undergoes polymerization at high temperature and pressure in the presence of catalyst. For example, number of ethane red hot iron tube 873 Kelvin. So polymerization, polyethylene or polyethylene. Okay, number of ethylene, the presence of number of ethylene, the presence of polyethylene. Okay, the number of ethylene presence of more than molecules, more than large number of small molecules. Okay, the polyethylene or polyethylene. The second one process N-prop 1-in. Okay, the red hot iron tube same polypropane. More than and a large number of small molecules is called poly. Okay, propane, polypropane. Styrene, polystyrene. Okay, the recycling plastics using அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா second one recycling process extensive uses of polymers close up landfills and pollute the environment because of diversity of polymers in consumers product recycling requires sorting the polymers into various subtypes labels with codes and symbols which are then recycled separately. Okay, the table shows the codes and symbols used in recycling of ethane based addition polymers. Lower the number of greater than else of recycling the materials. Code polyethylene terephthalate. Soft drinks, examples soft drinks, bottles, jars, vegetable oil bottles and so on. Okay, the code HDPE, high density polyethylene, milk, water and juice containers. Okay, PVC. PVC means polyvinyl chloride, shampoo bottles, plastic pipes, etc. Okay, LDPE, low density polyethylene, sandwich bags, grocery bags, etc. Low density polyethylene. PP, polypropylene, straw, diaper, toys, etc. Okay, PS means very important tables. PS polystyrene, disposable useless form cups. Okay, the others multi-layer plastics, various flexible items. Okay, the 7 type of codes very important and names examples very important. Use of alkenes. They discuss about use of alkenes. Alkenes find many diverse applications in industries, They are used as starting materials in the synthesis of alcohols, plastics, liquors, detergents and fuels. Okay, the ethane is the most important organic feedstock in the polymer industry. Example PVC, cellulose and polyethylene. Okay, these polymer are used in the manufacture of floor, tiles, shoe soles, synthetic fibers, raincoats, pipes, etc. Okay, the second one discuss alkynes. Alkynes, carbon to carbon triple bond formation. Alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbons that contains carbon to carbon triple bond in their molecules. Okay, their general formula is CnH2n minus 2. General formula CnH2n minus 2. Okay. The first member of alkyne series ethane, popularly known as acetylene. Okay, the oxalate torch is used welding. Okay, the nomenclature of alkynes, the structure IUPAC name, carbon skeleton formula. Okay, the first one, propane, 1 butane. See this table, very very important. The IUPAC nomenclature of the alkyne. Okay, nomenclature of alkyne. Let us write the IUPAC name for the below mentioned alkynes by apply the general rules of nomenclature that we already discussed. Lesson 11. Okay, the general method of preparations of alkynes. Preparations of alkynes from alkyne, the process involves two steps. Okay, the first one, halogenation of alkene to form vicinal dihalide. The second one, dehalogenations of vicinal dihalides to form alkynes. Okay, the first one, preparations of alkenes from gym dihalides. A compounds containing two halogen atom on the same carbon atom is called gym dihalide. On heating with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, gym dihalides give alkynes. Okay, they discuss explains the 1,1-di chloropropane alcoholic potassium hydroxide react to 1-chloroprop 1-ene to reaction to alcoholic potassium hydroxide, so prop 1-ene, so prop 1-ene CH3 single bond C triple bond CH. Okay, the preparations of alkenes from electrolysis of salt unsaturated decarboxylic acid called electrolytic method. Electrolysis of sodium or potassium salt of malic or fumaric acid yield alkynes. Okay, the potassium malate acetylene. The remove of the eliminate of potassium, so acetate. Okay, acetate வந்து கிடைக்குது plus 2 molecules of potassium. Okay, the acetylene, so same process, the acetylene. The next one, industrial preparations of ethane. The industrial preparations of ethane. The industrial preparations of ethane, the first one, ethane can be manufactured in large scale by actions of calcium carbide with water. Okay, this calcium carbide required for this reactions is prepared by heating quick lime and cook in an electric furnace of 3273 Kelvin. Calcium oxide reaction to carbon, reaction to calcium carbide plus carbon monoxide. Okay, the physical properties of alkynes. The first one, the first 3 members are gases, next 8 are liquid, and the higher alkynes are solids. They are all colorless and odorless except acetylene, which has a garlic odor. Okay, they are slightly soluble in water but dissolved rarely in organic solvent like benzene, acetone and ethyl alcohol. The chemical properties of alkanes. The first one, terminal alkanes are acidic in nature. It undergoes polymerizations and addition reactions. Acidic nature of alkanes. Okay, the acidic nature of alkanes. The first one, the CH3, CH2 single bond, C triple bond, CH plus silver nitrate plus added ammonium hydroxide. So silver butanide. Okay, the first one butyl copper butanide. So the hydrogen attached the triple bonded carbon atoms is acidic. Triple bonded carbon atom is acidic. The addition of reactions of alkynes. Addition of first one addition of hydrogen, second one addition of halogen, third one addition of hydrogen halides, the fourth one addition of water, next one ozonolysis. The first one addition of hydrogen, acetylene added to hydrogen, so ethylene. Okay, the ethylene, two molecules of hydrogen removed, so ethane. Okay, the first one process triple bond formation acetylene, the second one process ethylene double bond formation, the third process product of ethane single bond formation. The second one addition of halogenation propane, when bromine is reddish brown is added the alkyne bromine solutions. Okay, carbon tetrachloride decolorized. This is the test for unsaturated. The first one triple bond formation, second one two bond, the last one single bond formation. The same process of the addition of hydrogen and addition of halogenation. The naming different. Okay, naming here addition of hydrogen halides. 2 butyl triple bond formation, butyl CH3 single bond C triple bond C single bond CH3. The reactions to hydrochloric acid, so eliminate of the single bond formation, sorry, one bonded, so 2 chlorobutane 2 ene. Okay, the another one reactions hydrochloric acid, so hydrogen attached the triple bonded carbon atoms is acidic. The first one CH3 CH2 single bond C chlorine chlorine CH3. Okay, 2 dichlorobutane. Okay, these formations of single bond formation, single bond carbon to carbon single bond molecules. Okay, addition of hydrogen bromide to unsymmetrical alkanes follows Markovnikov rule. Addition of water. The first one ethane added to water, HOH, H2O water, 333 kelvins of a heated mercury and hydrogen. Okay, the isomerization, the first one double bond formation process, the isomerization of acetylide. The second one same process, H2O molecules triple bond formation, single bond formations, the first ones. Okay, the platinum there CH2 CH2 H2 eliminate the two bonded of the formation, single bond CH3 CH3. Okay, the hydrogen 2 added, the acetylene 3 bond formation, the hydrogen 2 this one added, the 3 bond formations of the one bond break. Okay, upper CH2 double bond CH2 ethane, the hydrogen 2 added, one hydrogen added, CH3 double bond formations of breaking, CH3 single bond CH. The same process of the all preparation reactions of the alkynes. Okay, the second one ozonolysis. Ozonolysis O3, ozones of the carbon to carbon triple bond of alkynes to form the ozonolysis. They form the ozonides. The ozonides are hydrolyzed by water to form carbonyl compounds. The hydrogen peroxide H2O2 formed in the reactions may oxidize the carbonyl compounds to carboxylic acid. Okay, this process, ozonoly process, acetylene react to O carbon bond, oxygen to oxygen H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, the form of the glyoxal, the reaction to hydrogen peroxide, methanol, the last one product of methanoic acid. The same process, the propane, sulfuric acid to added, ozonolysis O3 added, the same process of the ethanoic acid and methanoic acid. Okay, the second one discuss polymerization. Alkyne undergoes two type of polymerization reaction: linear polymerization, cyclic polymerization. two types of linear the long chain formations of the linear polymerization. Ethylene form linear bromine when processed into a solutions of cuprous chloride and ammonium chloride. Okay, the vinyl acetate. The second one, cyclic polymerizations of the benzene ring of the cyclic polymerization. Benzene ring of the cyclic polymerization. Okay, the uses of alkynes. Use of alkynes: acetylene used in oxyacetylene, torch used for welding and cutting melts. It is used for manufacture of polyvinyl chloride, polyvinyl acetate, polyvinyl ether, Orlone and neoprene rubber. Okay, the etc. Okay, thank you.